I'm Elizabeth Arvo. I'm 15. I was transplanted in August of 2009, and I had a double lung transplant due to CF.
My name is Emmanuel. I'm currently in grade 9. I had my kidney transplant January 24th of 2011, and it was because I had chronic kidney failure.
My name is Sydney. I'm 14 years old, and I had my liver transplant 12 years ago. I had it because I had biliary atresia.
My name is Joshua Rose, and I was 13 years old when I was transplanted. The reason why I got the transplant was because I had a big tumor on my liver, and the chemo couldn't really shrink it. It stopped it from growing, but it just couldn't shrink, so they had to take it. I had to get a transplant, and they had to take it out and give me a new liver.
My name is Samantha. I had a heart transplant when I was 19 months old. I had a heart transplant because I had pulmonary atresia.
My name is Keegan Kyle. I was born in 1994 and 17 years old, and I had a kidney transplant when I was 11 because I was born with dysplastic kidneys.
My name is Sydney. I am 17 going on 18. My transplant was December 7th, 2010, and I had my transplant because I had chronic kidney disease.
My name is Bradley Nicholson, and I'm 17 in grade 12, and I got a kidney transplant November 22nd last year, and it's been 6 months to the day today.
Well, I don't really remember a life without my transplant.
I'm a lot different than a lot of my other friends. I have to go to the hospital once a year, and I have to have my blood work done every 3 months. And I have to be more careful with my body than a lot more of my other friends. And yeah.
Prior to the kidney transplant, as my kidney started failing a lot, getting worse, my life wasn't the same anymore. But now with the kidney transplant, I'm all happy again because I'm now able to annoy my sister a lot more. You know, do my chores again like I'm supposed to.
I look healthy is one of the good things, because before I looked really yellow and like I'm a big infection thing. Now I actually have like color in my face again.
I have a lot more energy, a lot more time. Mind you, I've filled that time, so I have no time at all, but I used to be spending 2 to 3 hours a day, and towards the end, almost over 4 hours doing physiotherapy and treatments and masks and so on and so forth. So after the transplant, I didn't have to do any of that. So there's like 4 hours of your day that are just freed up to do whatever you want.
I can live my life socially again. I can be physically active, and I can eat to my heart's content.
Now I do a lot of theater. I started dance in September, and I rarely miss school, and I think the energy is the biggest thing. I would get really tired easily with CF. Even just like going up a flight of stairs, by the top I'd be out of breath and coughing, and now I could just walk up as many stairs as I want. Not that I want to, but I could.
I'll just stop and realize that like I had a heart transplant, because like you don't think about it after a long time. It's really not something you think about, because you're living your life as normal as you can, and then every once in a while you just stop and you kind of think to yourself, you're like, whoa, like this is what happened in my life. It's a big thing, but it kind of just like disappears after a while because you live such a normal life.